Welcome to our final lesson on writing our This I Believe essay for post number 5. This lesson is writing an effective conclusion. So we're going to look at writing a conclusion in 3 easy steps. So let's see what step 1 should be. The first step in writing any conclusion is to restate what we call your thesis. Well, in this essay, your thesis is the theme that you came up with. So when I wrote my original introductory paragraph, I developed a theme for Digger's story. So my original theme was, through each step, I should say, of my journey, I have come to believe that I have to forgive myself for my past actions before I can forgive others. So in my conclusion, I want to restate that, not using the same words. I definitely want the same meaning, but I want to say it in a new way. So here's my new restated theme. I believe I can't forgive other people until I learn to forgive myself for what I've done. It's shorter, it's much more concise, but it definitely gives the same message. Step 2 of writing an effective conclusion is the so what? Why does it matter? So I restated my theme or my thesis, telling you what I believed. So the next thing is, well, you need to tell your readers, so what? Why does it matter what you believe? So here's my response from Digger explaining why it matters that I believe in forgiveness. So here's the so what. Forgiving myself matters because I can never move away from my past until I accept responsibility for my actions and forgive myself. Forgiveness will let me move forward. So that tells you, so what? That's why do you care about forgiveness? Well, here's my reason. Here's my so what. Our final step is called final thoughts. What is it you want the reader to know? Kind of leaving them with that final lesson or that final thought so that you can close off your conversation. So here are my final thoughts for Digger. Everyone makes mistakes, sometimes bad mistakes. If you can accept what you've done, then you can start over. Learn from your mistakes. Don't let them define you. So that's what I want. That's what Digger wants his readers to go away with, that, acknowledge what you've done, move along, get past it by forgiving yourself, and you have an opportunity to start over, and you don't have to let your past mistakes determine who you're going to be in the future. So if you follow each of these 3 steps, you should have a fairly effective conclusion, basically 3 to 4 sentences, and it'll be a great way to tie in everything that you've talked about.